Hey dolls, welcome back into my channel. It has been quite a minute. I feel like every time I start off I always say it's been quite a minute because it really has been. But welcome back into my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for subscribing, and I hope that you are just as excited as I am for you to be a part of my YouTube family. Now my channel is just a little channel here on the web somewhere in YouTube land, but I do feel like it's a happy place, a place I love to come to, a place I love to just chat with you guys. So hopefully you enjoy what you find here on my channel. I will say that I am working on a travel vlog that hopefully will be going live soon. I do have a whole lot of footage to edit, and I'm trying to decide whether I want to do like 2 videos or just 1 video. It might be a little bit of a longer video, but we will see as I work through all my footage because I have so much footage. Every time I'm on vacation, I'm always like, okay, don't overtake footage, like take couple shots here and there, but I end up getting carried away and I want to like video everything. So this video today is going to be me trying out a new palette that I picked up back in January, and I have yet to use it. I did a haul video. I will link that video up here somewhere so you guys can check it out, my haul video from January. And I have yet to touch this palette. Like pretty much the month of February I was gone. I was on vacation basically. And I mean, I was only on vacation for 12 days, but I literally was gone from my house for a full month. So I hadn't been able to like sit down and do a video. And I was deciding on taking this palette with me on vacation, but it didn't end up happening. So we're here today. I do already have eye makeup on because it was from earlier today, but I'm going to take it off. And this really is going to be like a chit chat, get ready with me kind of video for trying out this new palette. Because I'm not going anywhere. I'm just going to go to bed later. So after I edit this video, of course. It is this palette right here. It's the Urban Decay Elements Palette. It's absolutely beautiful. Sorry if I'm blinding you, but that's what it looks like. It's so pretty. Like, just the packaging is so pretty. I did forget that this does have a mirror inside. I completely forgot. So it's like perfect if you're on the go and you want to do your makeup. You have like this huge mirror. Hopefully I don't blind you guys, but that's what it is. And the actual palette, so pretty. So let's just get going and not wasting so much time, because I know I eventually will just like blab. I don't know why I do that, but I do. I use the micellar cleansing water from Garnier. It's probably a weird like video because I'm like taking off makeup just to put back on more makeup. I have this cute little cat mirror. It has cat ears that I got from Marshall's like last year. And it has a little stand so you can like set it. I don't have my normal makeup mirror. It's at my parents' house, so I'm just using this one. I will redo like concealer and stuff, so all that I'm taking off right now. I'm gonna use my MAC paint pot to apply as my base. So I know like my makeup looks aren't like super extreme, like oh my gosh you did like crazy makeup look. And the reason why is because I liked more like wearable looks. Like people can be so creative and people wear, I guess it depends like on your job too, like what kind of job you have. But for me, working in a professional environment, I can't go in with like this like crazy makeup look because they're gonna be like that's not very professional. So I like to make like wear looks that's like you can wear to anywhere. And even though I have like all these palettes, like I can get creative sometimes depending on where I'm going to, but usually I like something I can wear to work, I can wear to dinner, I can wear like hanging out with friends or whatnot. It's definitely fun to explore, but I tend to just do looks that are more wearable. So right now I'm just taking a neutral like base color just to set this eyeshadow or this base. That was the MAC paint pot in Painterly that I use for my primer. And I'm just setting it. Just take whatever, like I do like a skin tone-ish shadow. So just use whatever shadow you have, and that like sets it. There's so many pretty colors in here. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna start with this shade right here called Antidote. This one right here, it's like a neutral warm color. And I'm just gonna apply that in the crease. I just need to set the crease shade, like a neutral crease shade. That will be easy for when I go to blend in whatever color I choose. I have no idea what makeup look I'm doing today. I'm just just going with it. This color here called Electric Air is just like screaming at me saying, use me please. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh, can you guys even see that? It's like right there. It's like a frosted silvery pinky tone, almost like a taupe shade, and I'm gonna go with that one first. I don't know, like I'm just gonna go with it. It looks so pretty. I'm going to apply that. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this shade right above it called Fortune Teller, and I'm actually just gonna use that and place that on my lids. No idea what I'm doing, I'm just going with it. Okay, this is like an iridescent, almost like a duochrome. Actually, yeah, like a duochrome. Has two different. Very interesting. Not as like out there as I thought it would be. The next I'm gonna take Fire Starter, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna put that in the crease. I'm not even sure if this will be a wearable look to work, but we'll see how it turns out. Next, I'm gonna go in with this shade here called Elemental. It's like another caramel tone taupe, not taupe, but like a caramel brown. I'm gonna take a more smaller defined brush and I'm gonna go in right here. Just kind of like bring the colors together, because I feel like with that duochrome shade and then the more of that like burgundy-ish shade can be a little much. I'm going to bring it in right into the crease. And now I'm going to go back and pick up Electric Air, which is that really sparkly shade right here. It's so pretty. It looks very like princessy and like, I don't know, super glam. I'm going to pop it right in the middle. Look at that. OMG, guys. This is one heck of a shadow. Called Electric Air, and I can see why. It is electrifying. And I'm gonna pick up more of Fire Starter. I'm gonna go in with this little what do you call this? This little brush, whatever this is called, I can't think of it. And I'm gonna go in right underneath. Then go back and pick up Elemental, which is that caramel color brown, and just blend that in with that. I'm gonna actually take another little brush and then go in and blend. Actually gonna take another shader brush. This is the eye shading brush number E55 from Sigma. It's been so long since I've been like bought any Sigma brushes, but this one is easier to blend with. The other one wasn't working, so we're just gonna use this to blend. Then I'm gonna go in with this really old palette that I have from Urban Decay. This is their Naked Basics palette, and I'm gonna take this first shade here. It's called Venus, and I'm gonna use that to place right on the brow bone. Then I'm gonna use my same little pencil brush and pick up the same lid color, the Electric Air, that I absolutely love. And I'm gonna pop that in to the inner corners. Let's see how that looks. Just gonna carry it up just a little bit, adding a little extra flare. Let's blend it out. And I'm just gonna take a little bit more of Elemental, which is that same caramel tone, and I'm gonna place it right in the outer corner just a little bit, just to blend this out. And now let's do some liner just to bring this in. I'm just gonna clean underneath. So the foundation I'm using is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Okay, so next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply some black liner to my waterline. This is the Too Faced Perfect Eyes Waterproof Eyeliner. And now I'm going to curl my lashes. And I'm using my favorite the Colossal Big Shot Mascara from Maybelline. And there we have it. This is the eye makeup look that I created using the Urban Decay Elements Palette. And I think this is something that I would say you could possibly wear it to work. It might be a little bit much, but definitely for like a weekend going out somewhere. But it's not like overwhelming, and it's not super like out there. It's just, I think a really nice go-to look. But honestly, I think I would actually I would wear this to work. I don't think it's too crazy to not wear to work. I think I can definitely wear this to work. I'm actually curious to see what this looks like with lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and put on some Ardell Wispy Demi Wispy lashes really quick, and then I'll be right back. So as you guys can see, I did add lashes. This is the Ardell Demi Wispy lashes that I have on. And then for my lips, I use this Volupshine lip color in, I'm gonna say it's number 61 because YSL never names their stuff. And it's just like this mauvey nude shade. You can see it's very neutral, very pretty. I think this look, I did add a little bit of highlight, so I don't know if you guys can see that. A little bit of highlight, the lashes. It can definitely be a more glammed look if you did a full face of makeup, full coverage, more blush. For my blush, I did use this Fit Me blush here. It's in the color Nude, but it's actually even though it's nude, it's more in the pink tone, and it has a bit of a sheen to it and shimmery. So it's you do have a bit of a shine. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I absolutely love how it turned out. I am loving this palette right here. I think we use about 5 shades in here today, which is more of those neutrals and that really pretty lid shade. I think next time I want to try it more of the greens or maybe the blues and purples, just to try a different look, because I'm very much a neutral type of girl. I tend to stick to neutrals. And also I think the lashes definitely glammed it up. I'm not much of a lash wearer, only if I go to an event or something I'm more into lashes, but on the norm I don't usually. And I think I would actually wear this look to work, just minus the lashes and the highlight, but I would wear it to work as well. I think that you wear whatever you want whenever you want. So I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe if you haven't already. And for those who are an oldie but a goodie, thank you so much for sticking around. I really do appreciate your support. And until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.